Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to look at Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trading count, 800 and something K, or 900 I think it went back to, which is beautiful. Do you remember when that account was 100? I started at 150, which is amazing. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Learn from me trading 24 years, focused on Bitcoin. I've got seed invested many companies, many crypto projects, and I'm trading actively with Bitcoin, altcoins. Right now, I think Bitcoin is in the bull phase. Ethereum and the XRP out of the blue caps are starting to rise up. Then usually after that, it's Ethereum and the layer 2s and the smaller altcoins like World Ton. And these are the kinds of things that I'm into now. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Going into the technicals, and if you've been watching my videos since 2000 and on this channel for the last 5 years almost, my account back on 903, which is amazing. Last night it dropped. This morning it was 850, so it bounced back 50k, actually quite a big bounce this week from 789 to 903, so 100 and and this month from 700 and something to 902. The low was like 725 to 902, which is amazing. 725, 902, high was 924, so about almost 185k this month. My Bitcoin trade, and you can see here earlier today, I added one more Bitcoin to my trade. So you can see my live trades on X in between the videos, 94,800 followers. This is when I was telling everyone in 2018, Bitcoin is like the invention of the gun. Even if for 100,000 years your bow and sword skills was coveted, when the gun was invented, that was it. Technology surpasses everything. A lot of people saw that tweet. Like if we go to the tweet history, view post analytics. Watch this. It's like a lot of people saw this post. 230,000 people saw this post about Bitcoin in 2018. But I posted here, we are Doge. Thank you, James, for helping people. You're welcome. This was pretty funny from Demolition Man. Santa's coming to Magicraft, a very freaky Santa, but he's a PvP Santa in the game. I hope I'm going to ask them to make more beautiful Santas, but it's a real character in Unity inside Magicraft game. Cool stuff happening there. Ton pumping, this guy made a massive trade. Ganesh, the god of abundance in Hindu. That's an amazing interview with Joe Rogan. Check it out. Okay, I posted it somewhere here about I added into Bitcoin, and I posted it live. Too many posts from my account actually. Learn all of these, they're amazing. Anyway, I posted it live in here. You can see I added into Bitcoin, so now it's a 6 Bitcoin trade. Still negative 5,600. But now I've upped the trade. It's 500,000, 5,607. Ethereum pumping a little bit, World pumping a little bit, and altcoins. It seems to be Uniswap went up a lot. 9% up on Uniswap, which is beautiful. Ton also went up a lot, 7%, and we can check here on you can see here, Ethereum went up with the leverage trade on Ethereum. That's what pushed a lot up the account. 21k, look, it just went up 1k that trade. Look where I bought Ethereum down here, almost exactly on the spike down to 30333. Now we're at 34443, but with 65 Ethereum, that adds up to 21k profits, which is beautiful. Let's go into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Total market cap, Tesla, let's check. Tesla, Dogecoin pumping, Tesla negative, Tesla up in pre-market. Yesterday was up, then pulled back, which is interesting. Bitcoin above 93 again, 93,600. Looks like a V-shaped recovery. You see that? V-shaped recovery on the 1 hour on Bitcoin when it went down to 90,800. So that's technically the current low. 90,000. That looks like a low, because now you have this descending wedge. Builds pressure and breaks upwards. And it looks like a little bit like V-shaped recovery, but we have to see how the ETFs open. Do the ETFs open and all the companies start buying again and big pumps, or do we get further fear and pullback? I added more live today on X. I posted it, but I would still be more cautious. And like you can see here where I added Bitcoin to my trade, it's a 6 Bitcoin trade now. You can see, look at my buys. I added more today during the drops. So I think I had a 4 Bitcoin trade yesterday. And then I added a little bit here, and then I added some at 692, and then I added some I bought 1 Bitcoin at 91.9. So you can see that position is now 6 Bitcoin, 500,000, 567. So it doubled actually the position size or something like this, which is beautiful. Let's go into Bitcoin. Yeah, I would still Try to catch off this support now. This I would call the major area of support now. No, it was just below. Yeah, I would say there. So that's one major support. Then if we assume that's one major, then the next one is 87. So if trying to catch a trade, maybe a pullback occurs again, but it could have usually you get a double bottom, but it is a V-shaped recovery, so it's a little bit tighter. But usually you get a double bottom and then it bounce. So I would still try to keep the trade at 91 open, stop loss under 90, and take profit up back at the targets 109, 104, and really depends how Bitcoin goes here. It's very important. If the bull market, if this pumps, and this is just the beginning of the bull market, and we have a big push up, there's going to be so much FOMO because people don't realize that Bitcoin's already going. If you look on the daily, we've still got the big patterns in play, the cup and handle and the bull flag on the weekly charts. And if you look at the Bitcoin indicator crypto guru bot, which you get in the master course, jamescryptoguru.com, you can see that they're both still fired blue, still firing buys. So it's very bullish for Bitcoin, but today is actually very important. How it opens and what it does. Look, on the Bitcoin indicator bot, it fired a buy just a few hours ago on the 4-hourly charts. Much more volatile on the 4-hourly though. But look, fired a buy here, then sell, and then it dropped down. Fired a buy exactly off the bottom. Nice. It's actually doing good, the Bitcoin indicator bot. You get it in the master course. The links are down below. Underneath the video, you can go down below and sign up to Bybit, and jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the bots and for the Telegram. And let's check out the Telegram. There's always a lot of info in there. There's 778 of you online. People discussing the war, showing Bitcoin bull, Christmas present. Friends, I've decided to give my premium Telegram. It's amazing. This chat is now international. Everyone from around the world, many different languages and cultures now talking together, discussing Bitcoin, and it translated automatically. Goat pumped as well a lot today, automatically in English. Let's go into Ethereum because that, I would say, is my... Oh, Uniswap went crazy. Let's look at Uniswap and Ethereum if I have enough time. Ethereum, Uniswap fired a buy on the Bitcoin indicator bot. Look at that. Off the bottom there. Already up quite a lot, 10%. But let's go into the longer term frames on the week. If I had to sell up here on the weekly, it's already up, but target is $17 in my opinion off this if this descending triangle plays out for Uniswap, which will be amazing. Cool, a lot of gains. Big congratulations to all of you. I chose some winners for $500. I'm going to give another $500 for Thanksgiving tomorrow. Hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving in America and Canada. They all gather around the table. They get a turkey. They stuff the turkey. They make this like beetroot sauce, and they all like say what they're thankful for. And it's winter and cozy. And I had this experience in Canada when I was younger. With the Canadian family, my ex-girlfriend. Amazing experience. Love you all. Have an amazing Thanksgiving. Prizes tomorrow for Thanksgiving and going to Christmas. Follow me on all my socials. If you comment, if you post on any of the socials, I'm just going to randomly pick winners at random times for money. And if you've been watching me for the last few years, I wonder how much I've given away and how many people I've taught. Quite amazing. Love you all. Have an amazing Thanksgiving, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.